In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Discord ID on mobile. If you've ever needed to report an issue, contact support, or work with bots and integrations, you've probably been asked for a Discord ID. This is a unique, long numeric identifier tied to a user, and it isn't visible by default. The good news is you can reveal it in just a few taps once you enable the right setting. Start by opening the Discord app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you normally use. From the main screen, go to your user settings. On most phones, you'll get there by tapping your profile picture or the gear icon near the bottom of the screen. This opens a menu with lots of categories for app and account settings. Scroll until you find the section labeled Advanced. It's usually under the App Settings area. Tap Advanced and then turn on Developer Mode. This toggle doesn't change how you chat or use servers. It simply unlocks extra options like copying IDs, which are helpful for troubleshooting and moderation. You can leave developer mode on if you use it often, and you can switch it off later if you prefer a cleaner menu. Now that developer mode is enabled, head to any chat or server where you can view a user's profile. Tap on the profile of the user whose ID you need. This opens their profile card or full profile page. Look for the three dots menu, often located in the upper right corner of the profile view. Tap those three dots to open more actions. You should now see an option labeled Copy ID. Tap Copy ID and the user's unique numeric ID will be placed on your clipboard, ready to paste wherever it's needed. That's the entire process. Open Discord, go to User Settings, enter Advanced, toggle on Developer Mode, open a user's profile, tap the three dots and choose Copy ID. If the layout on your device looks slightly different, don't worry, Discord updates its interface from time to time, but the names and locations remain similar. The key is that developer mode must be on before the Copy ID option appears. A couple of quick tips as you use this feature. Because IDs are purely identifiers, they don't grant access to an account, but you should still share them only when necessary and with trusted parties like support or server moderators. And if you no longer need the extra developer options, you can return to Advanced at any time and switch developer mode off. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to find a Discord user's ID on mobile.